So as we're going to see, when I turn the vehicle on, we are going to get a notification that says, get oil change immediately. Hey everybody, what's up? It's me, Darren, and today I'm out here cleaning out my vehicle a little bit because we are going to do a video for you inside the car. A few weeks ago I had to get an oil change, and these guys did not reset the oil notification warning that shows up on my dashboard. So we're going to do that today, but first I want to get some of this junk out of here because the last time I showed you my vehicle, I realized it wasn't cleaned, and I don't want you guys to think I live like an animal. So before this oil change, I used to go to Goodyear, and over there you basically just sit in the vehicle and they are going to do all that work, and you come back and everything's reset. But this time I had to go to a Jiffy quick oil change place because Goodyear was going to be 3 hours, and I didn't want to wait that long. So I just went over there, and over there I just sat in the vehicle while they did the work. And when I got back in, there was they had not reset the notification thing on the computer. And before that, I just thought everything was automatic. I thought the vehicle was actually analyzing the oil, and that's how they knew it was time. But come to find out, it is just a little timer based on your gas mileage. So today, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I'm going to reset that. And I learned this from the internet, and you could too if you wanted to learn about it. We're just getting some of this dust off first before I do any of that stuff for you. So as we're going to see, when I turn the vehicle on, we are going to get a notification that says, get oil change immediately. But of course, I just got an oil change. I know that I don't need one, so this is what it says we've got to do. I've got my key right here. We're gonna put it in the ignition and turn it 2 times. We're not gonna turn the vehicle on. We are going to turn the computers and such on. And after we do that, we're gonna hit the gas acceleration 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and theoretically, if everything goes well, we are gonna have a reset computer here. All right, guys, there you go. We did it. As you saw, there was no message. That means I'm good to go. So now you know how to do it. Turn the key 2 times in the ignition. Don't turn the car on. Accelerator 1, 2, 3, and your oil notification is reset. Thanks for watching, guys.